You must be the change you wish to see in the world. जो चेंज आप दुनिया में लाना चाहते हो, पहले आप उसको अपनाओ, पहले आप उसका हिस्सा बनो, वह चेंज आप अपने में लाओ. A very warm good morning to all. I wish to the unseen yet omnipresent Almighty in this morning assembly. Here is Hinakshi for Gayatri Mantra. Dear children, this is the era of transition. Everybody wants to change the way of living, eating, wearing, speaking, and now educating and learning also. Well, students, there are 4 important R's in teaching learning process or in the process of education. These 4 R's are: number 1, reading; number 2, retention; number 3, recall; number 4, recognition. So first R, reading. Reading of what? Reading of books, notes, important chapters. Second R indicates retention, means after reading how much we have retained. Third R, read again. The portion which we could not retain, read it again. And fourth R, recognition. Whatever read, recognize it. Then only you can complete the process of teaching learning. Dear children, day before yesterday, the Union Cabinet has approved the National Education Policy 2020. After long 34 years, means the existing education policy that was framed in 1986. Since then, there was no major change in the policy of education, and now in 2020, this new education policy has been framed and has been approved by the Cabinet, paving way for transformational reforms in school and higher education in the country. Today, I will share some key points of the Education Policy 2020 with you. People, those who are in the field of education, including your teachers, all educationists and students, even the parents, they should know what are the major changes in new education policy than the existing one. First is the flexibility in opting of the subjects. Dear children, it indicates that you can opt the subject of your choice. If you are in science stream and are interested in history also, you can opt history according to new education policy. So this will be the easy option for the children to opt the subjects of their choices. In new education policy, one more important point which I would like to share with you is multilingualism. Multilingualism, teaching in mother tongue up to at least grade 5. Increased use of technology with equity means that technology will be used in the classroom situation. National Educational Technology Forum will be created by the Government of India. SSRA, State School Regulatory Authority, will be formed by the government. ECCE, Early Child Care in Education, will be emphasized. According to this, more emphasis will be given to the formative years of education of the children. And students, now the name of this MHRD. MHRD is Ministry of Human Resource and Development, has been changed to Education Ministry. Now it will be Education Ministry. Earlier it was MHRD. Emphasis will be given to logical concepts in maths and science. Means more practicals have been added in maths and science. Means now the children, they'll have to go to maths lab and science lab more in comparison to the existing education policy. The provision has been made in NEP. 10+2 school system, education system, now will be 5+3+3+4 system. What it means? 5 years, 3+2 years will be the foundation. 3 years preschooling, Anganwadi, 2 years class 1 and 2 up to the age group of 8 years will come under foundation. Next 3 years, classes 3 to 5 up to the age of 11 years will be the preparatory. Next 3 years, classes 6 to 8 up to the age of 14 years will be middle group. And 4 years, classes 9 to 12 up to the age of 18 years will come under secondary group. So these 4 groups, 1 foundation, 5 years, 2nd preparatory, 3 years, 3rd middle, 3 years, and 4th one, 4 years, and this will be the secondary group. This will be the education system now instead of 10+2 education system. It will be now 5+3+3+4 system. Development of scientific temper will be enhanced. means more practical will be added and will be done in the labs of the schools to develop basic science aspects and how to utilize the basic concepts of science in daily life. Then knowledge of our country, knowledge of India will be added, means every student, he or she should know about the country. And at the end, the holistic progress card will be prepared by the school, including all these aspects. Then at the end, a card will be prepared. This will be the holistic progress card of the student. Students, I hope that the new education policy will bring a lot of major changes in education system in India, which is very much essential for universalization of education. If we want to compete with advanced countries, then it was very essential to make changes in our existing education policy, and that has been made. Thank you very much and have a nice day.